Welcome Year 6 to our second lesson in measure converting units. So our walk today is to convert metric measures. As always, we're going to start off with a SATs question. So we're going to multiply and divide two numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. So in your books, do that, pause the video, otherwise I'll keep chuntering on and you won't get a chance to do the work. Okay, so to multiply, we move the number digits to the left on our place value grid to make them bigger. So if we're multiplying by 10, we're going to move them one place to be 8,763.5. To multiply by 100, we're going to move them two places because our 100 ends in two zeros, 87,635. And to multiply by 1,000, we're going to move them three places to the left, 876,350. Put a full stop there instead of a comma. Okay, and so to divide, we move our place value digits to the right because our numbers get smaller when we divide. So to divide it by 10, we're going to move it one place, 485. So that's wrong, 4,858.3. All right. Yeah. Okay. So, and to divide by 100, we're going to go two places to the right, 485.83. And to divide by 1,000, 48.583. Okay. So this, it might be worth you printing this out. You can either print it out or you can draw it into your books. You can see that there are blanks. So this is a conversion. So this will be quite handy to keep nearby. So if you can see, we've got grams, kilograms and tons. So when you're converting grams to kilograms, you need to divide by 1,000 because there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So if you've got 1,000 grams, you divide it by 1,000, which gives you 1 kilogram. Then you need to find out how many kilograms there are in 1 ton. So you can look, you can Google that, that's fine. I don't mind you doing that at all. That's fine. And then we'll go through them together afterwards. So if you've got however many kilograms, you need to divide it by that number to find out how many tons. If you're converting kilograms to grams, you're going to multiply it by, I'll give you a little tip, it's this number here because there are 1,000 grams in a kilogram. So if you've got 1 kilogram, you know that there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So you're going to multiply by 1,000. So this will give you a clue as what this number could be. So there are, I'll tell you now, there are 1,000 kilograms in 1 ton. So 1 ton, really big weight. Think of what weight that, or the mass I should say, shouldn't I, that an elephant is weighed in. So if you've got 1 ton, you're going to multiply that 1 ton by 1,000 to give you the equivalent, which is 1,000 kilograms. This is a little bit more understandable because we're used to these measurements. Millimeters, centimeters. So how many millimeters in a centimeter? How many centimeters in 1 meter? We know there's 100 because on my meter stick there are 100 centimeters. And how many meters in 1 kilometer? So I want you to take some time to fill those out and then we'll go through them together. So either print it or write them in your books. Okay, so I hope you completed that so you can see that 1,000. I hope that you did make sure that your arrows are going the right way. That's really, really important when we do this because when you're converting from grams to kilograms, you're going that way. I know it sounds a funny way of doing it, but we're dividing by 1,000. So we've got 1,000 grams. Sorry, what should we have? Let's have 2,000 grams. I'm going to divide it by 1,000. Leave us with 2 kilograms. Okay, so down here, if we're doing the opposite, we are multiplying by 1,000. Oh, looks like my video is going to be finishing in a minute, so there will be a part 2 coming up in just a moment. I'll stop that now so that we're not getting cut off mid-sentence.